Mr. Pirzada, please hear me out.
I am listening to
I'm
you,
saying
and I
that
have known
Nawaz
your
Sharif
positions
is trying
in the
to
past
reassert his position in the political spectrum in Pakistan by going back to his
have
base
no
instinct
understanding of what the
raising
political
the Kashmir
spectrum
issue. He did
within
it at the
Pakistan.
United Nations. He is doing it again. And there is a message for India. The message for India is
Settle
don't take
the
his
issue
peaceful
of Kashmir.
gestures
That is the
lying
message.
down. Don't take him lightly. And
Settle the
please,
issue
and the government
of
of India
Kashmir.
has
And this
already
has also
begun
been
to
advised
respond
by
with
the
a
State
certain
Department
degree of
just
firmness.
yesterday.
So if you people, if Pakistan assumes that the threat of war is going to get us
There
to
was
move
no
forward,
threat of war.
even for a
He
peaceful
was
solution
talking
of
about the
Kashmir,
ground reality
you are deluding
that when
yourself.
the issues
Mr.
don't
Pirzada,
get
please
resolved
understand
peacefully,
and remember
it comes to
Kargil.
war.
Remember in Kargil that you went on to challenge the sanctity of the line of control,
There is
and
no
you were
sanctity
rapped
of
on your
line of
knuckles to
control.
say
You have
respect
violated the
bilateral
Simla Agreement
relations.
for 40
So
years,
that is what
and now
you
you are
have to
saying
do.
there is a
And
sanctity of
Nawaz
line of
Sharif
control.
it's
It is
precisely
not-
for that
it is not a
reason
borderline.
that Nawaz Sharif is
It is an
turning
international
around.
dispute.
It is precisely for that reason
Listen
that
to the-
Nawaz knows
listen to the
that the
State
international
Department
community
discuss
is
the
not
issue of
going to
Kashmir
accept
and settle
Nawaz
it.
Sharif doing saber rattling.
No, the question is this, 1 minute, gentlemen. One second. Can I have some, one minute now. 42 years back, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto made another ridiculous comment. A comment which reflected the inferiority complex at that point of time. He said, if Pakistanis will eat grass or leaves or even go hungry, but we will get an atom bomb.
And he did.
You remember that? In 1970, no, 1 minute please. After you got that drubbing when India liberated Bangladesh.
472.
You said, you made that
You
comment.
mean you committed aggression?
What happens now? 42 years later, you are facing bankruptcy. No, 42 years later, Rashid, by General Qureshi,
you guys
you're
are
facing
living in the
bankruptcy, your
past.
institutions
There's
have crumbled.
nothing you can do against Pakistan these days.
No, you're terrorist.
Pakistan
No, but
is
you
in
see,
a position to wipe you
you
off the
make a
face of
strategic
earth.
mistake. You make a strategic
there
mistake of
is
making
no-
an
there is no
observation as
65
ridiculous
or
as the one
71.
which Nawaz Sharif made.
There is no
You
71
admit it. Now,
anymore.
at least Bhutto did not, at least Zulfikar Ali Bhutto did not say, I didn't make that ridiculous comment. He had the courage to stand up to it.
I tell
Nawaz
you,
Sharif does not
this
even
is
have the
ridiculous
courage.
thing that India
General
did,
Qureshi
that
to
it
stand up to his own
detonated
comment.
nuclear
Arnab,
device
Mr.
and
Arnab,
led the
Mr.
way
Pirzada
for
is saying there is no
Pakistan
71.
to become a nuclear state. That was the greatest strategic blunder that India made. You guys don't know how to run your foreign policy, which is a disaster, and a smaller country like Pakistan is a
Mr.
hurdle
Pirzada,
in the way of
Mr.
your
Pirzada,
upsurge on the
your
international
entire
stage.
interpretation of India-Pakistan relationship is so warped that nobody with half a degree of understanding of South Asia relationship can take you seriously.
Well, 1 second, we go to General Qureshi, please. General Qureshi, why do you think the Pakistan Prime Minister did not come out with a comment which said, I made a comment which I deeply regret?
Why would he? Does he owe anything to you?
He could have said, I made a
Somebody
comment in
misreported
Muzaffarabad, but I
something,
deeply regret.
Or somebody
Arnab.
took anything out of the context.
I've shown you it's a fact. I have the original
No, but
with
you
me.
are misconstruing.
I'll send you the
He
Urdu-
said it could
the
be
Urdu
a
original
flashpoint.
script, I'll send it to you.
Flashpoint means that if you
listen to
leave
what I
the
have to
issue
say.
unresolved, then it'll
am
get
not
it'll
his
take us
Why
to the
don't
point of war.
Okay, General
He's making sense.
I was
And
not
I say,
present
Pirzada, let's listen to
when
General
what
Qureshi.
you say, he said.
Let's listen to General Qureshi.
I
I'm
was
asking
not
General
there.
Qureshi something, please.
However, what you are saying and what you are reading are two different things. Where Nawaz
Don't
Sharif
go on
has
and on
said
about it.
that
I'm
Kashmir
saying
is a
what Nawaz
likely
Sharif said.
flashpoint which could result into a fourth war is an
Nawaz
observation
Sharif said,
that he made and which, frankly,
Sir,
if you keep your eyes and ears
let's be-
open, if we do not resolve this issue, it will blow up into something that becomes unresolvable now. I'm not saying,
Sir, you
I
know
am not
something,
saying,
you know something
I am
on,
not
no,
saying
1 minute, 1 minute,
that we are looking forward to
Nawaz
war.
Sharif says,
I am not saying
Nawaz Sharif
that
says-
India and Pakistan
you know what's
should not
Haven't they
sit
learned that?
down
No, 1
and
second.
resolve
Nawaz Sharif
all
said,
issues,
no,
whatever
no,
they
no,
are.
1 minute, 1 minute.
I'm not
You
even
are
talking
trying to
about
prove
Qureshi,
it,
all I'm
liar.
asking for is an
I'm
ounce
talking
of
about
honesty.
all
yourself
issues.
lying to the
We are not saying that we are looking forward to
Qureshi,
war.
General
or we are
Qureshi,
going to
one
make
thing, General
sure
Qureshi.
that Kashmir
General Qureshi,
is
listen to me,
annexed by
listen to me.
Pakistan.
Listen to me.
Why do you put
Listen
these
to me,
words
listen to me, General Qureshi.
in front
General
of people where your own channel
General Qureshi.
will sound like a
General Qureshi,
warmongering channel? It seems
General
that
Qureshi,
India wants
General
to
Qureshi, 1 minute.
preempt what Nawaz Sharif wants to do.
Don't worry about our channel. Don't worry about our channel. Don't worry about what it sounds like. I would only request you to worry about how your Prime Minister sounds. Your Prime Minister sounds like a liar. Your Prime Minister is quoted by the Dawn newspaper. Your Prime Minister's office issues a clarification. Your Prime Minister's office issues a clarification that the Prime Minister of Pakistan never uttered those words.
Has Nawaz Sharif
Your Prime Minister's office
said something that he is denying? You see?
General Qureshi,
Yes.
I'm sure you can listen to me.
Yeah.
Your Prime Minister's office gave a press release that our Prime Minister never uttered those words. Simple.
Which words?
What was reported
word?
was not what Arnab Goswami said. What? No, 1 minute. Listen to me, please. Listen to me for a minute. I'll prove you completely wrong if you care to listen. If you don't want to listen for fear of being proven wrong, I can understand. Are you afraid of being proven wrong? Then I understand. If you're not afraid of being proven wrong, listen to me. Listen to me.
Because it is the issue.
1 second. General Qureshi, listen to me. Your Prime Minister's office was quoted.
Behave.
Now, when both of you finish shouting, then I'll speak.
Are you embarrassed of being proven wrong? You are being embarrassed. You're actually acting as if you're embarrassed.
I can understand
if you are
today.
proved
I can
wrong.
understand.
Now,
I can understand today how you
I'm
feel.
not saying.
I can understand how you feel, but you know what? When your Prime Minister says one thing and says he didn't say it, remember, there will be some journalist in Pakistan or some channel in India which will expose your Prime Minister.
No.
And when he has been exposed, the nice thing about after being exposed is to say, I messed up. Maybe I lied, maybe I tried to cover my tracks, now I've been proven wrong, I'm sorry, I won't do it again.
The Prime Minister of a nuclear-armed country is supposed to behave with sagacity and a certain amount of, gravitas. I'm very sorry to say the Prime Minister of a country with the fastest growing nuclear arsenal in the world is behaving in a most irresponsible and dangerous manner. I think the rest of the world has to get together at this rate and defang this kind of an irresponsible state to which so much has been interested. There are people trying to stop the Iranians from acquiring an arsenal. You are far, far more dangerous and irresponsible than the Iranians are. We never heard their Prime Minister talk of a nuclear war in the next few months. I mean, we were first told that talks and terrorism can go on together. Now you want to tell us talks and nuclear war will go on together? I mean, for God's sake, give us a break. And please, at that particular level, something has to be done to induce a modicum of responsibility.
Remember,
I think we need to first show it on these discussions for people to then adopt this at various levels. We need to show some modicum of responsibility here, and instead of just throwing allegations at people and calling someone a liar or someone who's a cheat, we need to be very specific and very accurate in what we say here.
I'm very specific. If you listen to me, if you interrupt me, then you will never understand.
Indian government has
I'll say this one last time. I'm going to a break. I'll say, no, you listen to me. You know, if both of you gentlemen think, now I'll tell you one thing. Gentlemen, let's agree on one thing. There are two of you sitting there in Karachi and in Islamabad. Now the problem is, not only are you not letting me speak, you're not letting each other speak. I'm going to take a break, and by the way, after that, listen to me, please. I am going to read out to you. Okay, you'll have to listen when you come out of the break. I am going to read out to you.
I hope you can read it.
Now you let me speak, sir. Sure. I'm going to read out to you what your Prime Minister said.
Okay.
Then I'm going to read out to you what your Prime Minister said he didn't say. After that, both of you will have to admit here live on Indian television that you were wrong. I'm coming back in 2 minutes.